light is made up of massless particles called photons, but they do carry momentum and they do have energy. So this is one of the fascinating things about modern physics, or the quantum physics field, and that is that light has to be made up of massless particles, because otherwise they couldn't go the speed of light. And so for light to be light, the particles have to be going the speed of light. So photons are massless. However, they do have energy and they do have momentum. And most people think that the amount of light that you get with, or the amount of momentum you would get with light would be something that would be very difficult to pick up on. However, what I have here is an old-fashioned camera flash from a 35 millimeter camera. And what I'm going to do here is I have a symbol. And of course, if I hit the symbol, hopefully you can hear that. Now, you might not think that, what I'm going to show you is that if this bright flash, this flash that will come out of this flash unit, is bright enough to make that symbol make a sound. Okay, and it's caused simply by the reflection of the light off of the symbol. In other words, the light photons themselves have enough momentum to actually cause an audible sound on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my finger over the light sensor so that this thing gets nice and bright. I'm going to turn on my flash unit, and it should be charged up. It now says it's charged up. And if you listen carefully, I might have to do this a couple times. If you listen carefully on the microphone, you hopefully can hear this. Okay, I hope the microphone picked that up. I can do it one more time. Okay, so just from the light hitting. Now, if you think that, if you would say, well, maybe there's some kind of inductive or capacitive coupling, some kind of electromagnetic effect from the flash unit that's causing that symbol to make a sound. Maybe it's not actually the light. Well, I can show you, if I'm careful here. It's a little tricky. I got to do this one-handed. But I can take this piece of cardboard, right, and that should not stop electromagnetic fields, but it will basically keep the light from bouncing off of the symbol. And so if you listen carefully, you hear the symbol, nothing. Right? But if I remove the cardboard, you can hear the symbol. So clearly it's the light, it's the photons of light from this very bright flash. They're all thrown at the symbol at one time. The symbol is reflective. Probably if I cleaned this up and made it even shinier, it would even be louder. But that's an interesting demo to show you that light does indeed have energy and momentum.